So now that you've set up your Screencast-O-Matic account, you're ready to make your first video. So what you're going to do is go ahead and log in if you're not logged in already. I'm going to go ahead and log in through Google and select my account. And you'll notice here I have my launch recorder and my content on the left hand side. So I'm going to click on the record launch recorder. Once you select the launch recorder, you should see the countdown 1, 2, 3. I can't show it on my screen since I have it launched already to record this cast. After it begins, you'll see those dotted lines around the edge. And then once it's recording, you'll see that the red button will change to a blue and white pause button. And you should be able to continue to do your narrative after resizing the application or the browser to the dimensions. In the bottom of your recording area, you will have an option to turn on the cursor. It's a little icon that looks like a pencil. And if you'd like to add markups to your files and have it recorded, by all means you can do that. Or you can do the erase, but those features are available. And then you will also have the option to do a delete if you decide you want to start from the beginning, or when you're ready to conclude your video, you can also select the done, which is at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and upload this to the web. You can upload it to YouTube, but first you must set up your YouTube account, have that information readily available, and you will need to sync it to the Screen-O-Matic software the first time you do the upload. Remember to select the proper settings on the box that gives you the option for public, unlisted, as well as update the description as well as the title that you wish to appear on YouTube. So that concludes this video. And remember, today is a great day to learn something new.